It's a blessing, you know. You never, see what's gonna happen in the future. You just live. I always live this lifestyle, and I always knew I wanted to be something, keeping the ones around me that I trust, and just keep saving.
to the couch. We put the mic outside. Edit shit out. You letting the scouts outside. You running the scouts. Ain't no control in the game. They never leave. I got that over my veins. Is that what I believe? She drink a lot of the bourbon. And she from the street. We got control of the flows and We heard that your wave went dry. We flood in the drought. Heard that your hood outside. We added some routes. We having the goods outside. Move it in and out. You letting the scouts outside. You running the scouts. Nigga, the cops outside. Lock up the house. We keep the team on high. Blow the name out. Nigga, the post outside. What's at the top? She one of my most outside. Bringing the shots. Till these phony bitches beat it. With that Photoshop on body Adobe. Helmet. She in there making panini. She know I got all the press. She know me. Got it. I'm a hustle. I'm a pussy. Been a minute since my niggas to know me. Howdy. Cleveland boy, he making me. Yes, like Cleveland boy, he done making me. Hey. Heading for someone to go. Any more cinema. Niggas don't know where to go. Gotta keep giving them VC. Time to go double though. Time to add up the math.
Kind of a bummer. I ran out of sandpaper, so I was able to prep this side for another round of either some of that body filler or potentially another like finishing filler called Combi, or I don't know how to say it, but something like that. This here took some filling. It will take some more to get it kind of nice and perfect. There's still a little bit of a dip, but from where it was in terms of what it was, it's a lot better. Over here, you can see that we've had pretty good luck with the filling on this side of the holes for the cart guards. I don't know what the actual term is called, but the only downside is that I had the Pumpkin King corner here, this boy fell into the door, and I hit this thing here, so I have to clean up this more. This thing was getting all gooed out on me, and I ran out of paper, so I'm pretty much restarting on this. I don't even know if I can do this, if it's too deep or if we have to pull it and do it a different way, but hopefully I'll be able to repair that. And then I gotta get some more material off of there, maybe take some more off of the outsides there and try to do better on that. But this thing is massive, it pops. It's just, it's just the fender. That's where we're at with this thing. Like, I'm sanding, I'm sanding, I'm sanding, I'm sanding, I'm sanding, I'm sanding, and I'm sanding. And where I'm at now is where I can restart essentially, because most of the work I did was junk. That's where I'm at with it. To say the least. Subscribe for more, honestly. So just hit that sub button right now if you're feeling my pain. Back here, we did put some on and we did take some off, but ended up roughing up the bumper and trying to clean that up. And these ones, you know, that's how they turned out. This one I can add some, and then that should be nice and good. And this bumper, when I sanded it, didn't really, like, most of the stuff didn't translate through. All the scratches and stuff, there wasn't really that stuck around. So I'm getting closer on the bodywork. I'm getting closer. It's a process. This whole thing's been a process. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Jeez. And update on starting, nothing, okay? I have not got the fuel pump to actually kick on to get fuel to the system. And if you want to look in here, currently the illuminated light is the high beams. So I don't know why those are on, if it's a ground issue or if there's a plug switched around, but something's not right. I'll need to figure that out. So this is why the interior is kind of in shambles at the moment. Forgive me. But I would like to get this car running so that I can move it out and into the garage freely and not have to push it every time, because then I can really, once I get that, I could, you know, back it out, set up some sawhorses, and get some serious work done, you know, with Prime or that guy's. Yeah. Not to mention my dailies has been giving me all sorts of fun troubles, so we're still sorting out issues with that. I've got mystery issues. I think the throw-up bearing's going bad on it. It seems to be acting out on me. And I need to live. I need to live really big right now, because honestly, let me be honest with you. If you stuck around this long, thank you. First and foremost, thank you for listening to me ramble. I appreciate that, because a lot of people love to listen to me ramble. But I need my cars to be like somewhat working order in a timely manner, because I'll be leaving the state with the new year. I'll be moving. I got stuff all over me tight. I mean, I've been sanding and I've been using it as a mask.
Do you guys use salt when you brush your teeth?
Salt? No.
Otherwise, I got the toothbrusher, the toothpaste, a thing of salt, and that's it.
No, there's something else there. You didn't see it. You weren't paying attention.
Oh, it looks like maybe alcohol or something.
Damn straight. Gotta keep the piece clean, Mike. Isopropyl and kosher salt. Put that in your glass piece. Shake it. Get all that nasty shit right off of it. That's why that's in there, baby. I smoke a lot.
Well, then you just lied to me, because you do use it when you brush your teeth.
No, not when I brush my teeth. Just when I clean my piece.
How do you clean your teeth if you ain't brushing them?
I brush them, but I don't use the salt to brush my teeth.
The salt's there for a reason for the teeth.
No, for my piece, for my pipe, my bong. Yeah, you want to see? I'll wash it right now for you. This guy's never cleaned a pipe in his life. It's perfect smoke joints only.
That's right. I do it the man way. I don't do it the sissy boy way. Put it in a little bowl because I can't roll it.
He's straight calling me out right now because I can't.
Fighting for an hour and a half there trying to.
I was trying, dude. It was not working for me.
Well, secret is, besides having good smooth paper,
I needed weed to be moist. This shit was dried out.
All the weed can't be too fine.
Oh, I grounded that shit up to sawdust.
Yeah, that's one of the biggest problems, because it won't.
Outro.
It won't pack properly.
That's right. We're getting a lesson here on the outro. This is it. I'm running this right now.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. I don't either.
I don't either.
That's what I'm saying. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, got a little extra information.
Hey, you know what? You're gonna have 1 million subscribers because of that.
I already know I'm gonna get 1 million subscribers because of who I am.
Just for this right here.
Oh, you're right.
Just because of this. Hey, listen to these.
Not because
guys.
of Mount Vesuvius on my forehead.
Listen to these guys going at it.
Comedians. All right, this thing's gonna run. Damn it, I swear.
Well, those guys that have those huge following for the humble mechanic. And
I don't know, man. I don't follow them. I don't know who they are.
Oh, they got millions.
Millions? I don't know that we'll get that, honestly, quite honestly, but
I mean, they got
be nice to have like
all over the
1,000.
world.
That'd be tight.
But they got lots of information.
I don't have lots of information. I got lots of bullshit.
Yeah, there you go. Now you hit on the nail that time.
Hey, as long as I can feed the bullshit to them, that's all that matters. Thanks, guys, for watching, putting up with my bullshit.
I gotta put my phone on the charger and